Dear students, we will continue our study of evolutionary biology. So last time we have seen the fossil records which were buried in the volcanic action, buried due to volcanic actions in a soil or in a ice or in a sediments, mud or ash, fly, whatever it may be, wherever the situation is as such that the natural action which kills multiple living beings, either plants, animals, or living being, we can say. They were buried in the deposits of earth that we will see one by one. These are generally called as fossils. So, fossils are the remains or impression of the prehistoric plant or animal embedded in rock and preserved in petrified form, belonging to a past epoch or discarded system, antiquated. So, process of fossilization. हाऊ द फॉसिल्स आर फॉर्म, एक तर लाव्हामध्ये किंवा इग्नियस रॉकमध्ये, सेडिमेंटरी रॉकमध्ये, सॉईलमध्ये, मडमध्ये, ॲशमध्ये, कशामध्ये प्रिझर्व फॉसिलायझेशन कसं होतं ते आपण बघूया. फॉर प्रिझर्वेशन टू टेक फॉर प्रिझर्वेशन टू टेक प्लेस रॅपिड बरियल आफ्टर डेथ इन अ सबस्टन्स that protects the organism from destruction by scavengers and weathering is needed. The most common substance is some heavy silt or mud, and burial will occur more frequently in water than on land and in a colder areas than in warmer ones. But other substances can serve as well. Some of the best fossils are formed in अंबर, झाडाच्या डिंकामध्ये झालेला अंबर. तर जुरासिक पार्क हा पिक्चर पूर्ण या अंबरवर डिपेंड आहे. तुम्ही जर का नीट लक्ष देऊन बघाल हा पिक्चर, जुरासिक पार्क नेटवर बघू शकता तुम्ही, अवेलेबल आहे. अंबर फॉसिल आहे हा, विच इज अ फॉसिल रेझिन. झाडाचे जे रेझिन बाहेर निघतं, पांढरं पांढरं किंवा डिंक निघतं बाहेर, आपण म्हणतो डिंक हे रेझिनच आहे. त्याच्यात जे काही माशा, कीटक, फ्लाईज, इन्सेक्ट्स, जे काही दाबलं जाऊ शकतं, मॉस्किटो वगैरे सारखं, ते तिथे त्यांच्या फॉसिल तयार होऊन जातात एक प्रकारे. मग पर्टिक्युलरली स्मॉल इन्सेक्ट्स विच प्रोबॅबली गॉट स्टक इन द रिझिन अँड कुड नॉट फ्री देमसेल्व्स आर फाउंड इन अंबर. सम व्हेरी वेल प्रिझर्व्ड remains of woolly mammoths and rhinoceros from a Pleistocene age have been found frozen in Siberia. So volcanic ash also can create good conditions for preservation. But even when rapidly buried, the soft parts of an organism decompose, and in most cases only the hard part remains. Shells which are inorganic in nature are usually preserved completely unaltered. Bones and wood, on the other hand, are often mineralized, commonly referred as petrified. That is, the free spaces in the tissues are impregnated with mineral substances carried by groundwater. In other cases, the totality of the plant or animal structure is destroyed, leaving an empty space that nevertheless faithfully reflects the exterior respects or aspects of the dead organisms. And such a fossil is a mold. त्याला आपण मोल्ड म्हणूया. If the species is subsequently filled by foreign substances, that is a cast. बघा, फॉरेन सबस्टन्स जर का त्या रिकाम्या जागा पूर्ण भरून टाकत असेल तर त्याला कास्ट म्हणायचं. आणि तो जर का काही रिकाम्या जागा ठेवत असेल पोकळी साच्यासारखी तर त्याला मोल्ड म्हणायचं. आपण बघूया पुढच्या फिगरमध्ये. आफ्टर बरियल द फॉसिल मे बी व्हेरी मच अल्टर्ड, and the commonest type of altered is flattening due to pressure, as more and more layers of sediments are peeled on the top of the bed containing the fossil. The bed may be further altered by folding and lateral movements. Eventually, it has to be uncovered by erosion if we are to get possession of the fossil, and it might be further damaged in this process. Some fossils have been exposed in the past and reburied. Consequently, the chances of recovering an intact specimen are very rare, particularly with specimens of great age. A flowchart of fossil in formation. Fossil formation साठी बघा डायनोसॉर जे आहेत मेलेले आहेत, dinosaur died, then quick buried in mud किंवा sand, and then do condition exist in which the fossilization, recrystallization or permeabilization process can occur. So this is question mark here. So by what way they preserved, either pressure or acidity or chemical composition or sediment or moisture, etc., whatever it may be. Then quick buried in mud, no, dinosaurs is eaten or rot and then fossil is formed. Direct do exist the fossilization, no, dinosaurs rot and no fossil is formed. So this one, if yes, then this condition, and if yes, then water infused with minerals slips into the bones over time and the original bones decay and are slowly replaced by rock like minerals. So in this way the process may be occur. The types of fossils, there are so many different types of fossils. One, actual remains. So these are the original remains of the organisms buried and embedded in soft sedimentation and there had been no change in the constituting material. The fossil of mammals and woolly rhinoceros are obtained from Siberia and Alaska, which were found in frozen ice. So another means of preservation of the animal is umber, a fossil resin from pineapple trees, especially Picea succinifera. So these resins, which when first exuded, are sufficiently soft to engulf a fragile insect. Later, through the evaporation of the more volatile portions, become hardened and finally change to umber, without the slightest injury to the most delicate details of insect anatomy. About 2000 species, chiefly of insects but also of crustaceans and spiders, are thus preserved in the Oligocene umbers. The Baltic umber is found along the Baltic coast of Samland, Germany. So maximum umber fossils are found in Germany because these pine trees are more there. So these are the examples of fossil arrow-headed amphibian. Is called as Diplocaulus, Permian period. They found in Permian period, and fossil of Triassic nautiloids. So these are the molluscan shells and ammonites, nautiloids or ammonites, and surveying nautiloids. So these are the two nautiloids or molluscan shells. Then fossil frog. This one is the frog, picture of frog. This is frog fossilized in the Jurassic period. So fossils of various animals that found in these olden periods. So terrified fossils we will see in the next speech. Due to some unavoidable circumstances, I would like to concise my speech here right now.